Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
District Magistrate Jang Ribhoi District Abhilash Baranwal ula penjari dekat section Chispa Repulai BNSS Ribhoi Bankang Persha ikinu-ikinu ke Thang Khlaw hukum kene ka ayom terkhong badang jur bhakal air hagajinya kran bekilar pathai ku bod hagakat prasuk leber arajar pausan District Magistrate ke Ribhoi ula ong bagajing Thang Khlaw ka kata ikajing imbriu ka kata yakimrat barwat dikisaudong saukun jang kamariang Shushu luang baladalap ikinu-ikinu ke bele persya kinahap hagajing pinchitam kat kumukendon an belada penjari. Ula kerpat ru ikinu lam shnong bikin ai kajing atreilang kanang mandub la banyadai kajing Thang Khlaw Pathar kabala banlam si jing jawas ngausi kumujing peluk ki yeng kesam kajing syakta ki brio ki merat bagajing julor ke saudong saukun kamariang.
The deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district. As a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Ribhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be, the headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.